side. Line looks good, even after the pipe burst. The standing toilet tissue there is just from excessive use in the line. Recommend just doing extra flushes. Let's go towards the house. Here's the vent in the cast iron to go up towards the roof. Going back, there's a tiny little bit of water right there, nothing concerning at this time. And here's what the cast iron looks like after cleaning the system with the hydrojetting equipment. The iron is clean. It is showing signs of grade, which is good. And here's the transition from outside, where the iron switches to the SDR plastic. A little ball of toilet tissue, that'll get flushed out, nothing concerning. The line looks to be in great condition at this time.